You are welcome back to the channel. In this video, we continue to look at our challenge where we are driving our 1,000 to our 10,000 and further moving that one to $25,000 account in our trading account, where we have the liberty to trade from Monday to Friday without any limitations, and then picking the number of trades that we want to trade, entering positions that we want to enter from Monday to Friday, except for holidays, and then, growing our account where we can drive and then make sure that we are entering into a place where we are building wealth and then building, passive income, trading stocks, stock options, and all that, and then creating passive incomes from dividend stocks, and then making sure that we are taking this wealth building strategy to a place where we can retire rich and retire young. Remember, we don't want to retire rich and retire old. We want to retire rich and retire young, where we can enjoy our money that we have so much worked for. If you are new to the channel, I will ask that you consider subscribing to the channel, where we share tips, tricks, and then strategies to identifying winning trades where we can make our money and then run home with it. And then if you are somebody who have been here, my wealth builders, I want to say that continue to leave your comments and continue to like the videos if you find any value in them. I'll be right back.
Income streams, they start to flow. From determination they grow. Build your world with what you do. Financial freedom just for you.
So today we're moving to month 3, where we are literally growing our account and making sure that we are taking at least 20 to 30% of our trades. We are making a profit of 30%, and then we are growing our account and we are investing some of these profits to buying stocks, to buying dividend paying stock, growth stocks, and then trading options. So here we have 3 different sources where we can make income from, because we are making income trading stock options. We are making income from the growth stocks that we have bought, which will appreciate in price, so that we can make profit from there. And then we are getting income and we are getting dividend from dividend stocks that we have purchased. You don't want to miss this strategy that you need to use to build your wealth to retire rich and to retire young. Right. So I would like us to dive down into our chart and dive down into our file, where we have been looking at how we trade, and then we move step by step into every week and every month of our trading journey in 12 months. All right, so here we have our month 3, and in month 3, this is where we are. Month 3, week 1, we have driven our account from January, February, and now we are in March. And then March, we have moved our account in week 1 to 300, and then 3,422. Week 2, we brought it to 3,756. All right, so week 2, something happened here. Okay, so to be practical, we want to be as practical as possible. As you know, I've always said in my videos that losing is part of the trading journey. Okay, losing is part of the trading journey. So what I have done in week 2 in March is to wave the week away, because we have traded and we have made some profit over there, but I have waved it off because during the course of trading from January, February, and then now we are in March, it is very possible we would have lost some trades. So that's why I have repeated week 2 in week 3. Okay, so that if there was any losses at all, then we are taking it that week 3, week 2 has covered for the losses, and then we continue the same process in week 3. All right, so that is why we have it there as week 2 repeated in week 3. Okay, and then again in week 4 in March, we have decided to also make a withdrawal, another withdrawal again, where we want to use that one to do 1 or 2 things, because like I said, it is not practical that you be trading and then you will not withdraw anything from your account to also meet 1 or 2 needs that you have. So that is where you have this 100 that is in red here. We have made a withdrawal, and then we have our balance there as 4,090. So if we move to we move to the month of April. That is where we start with our trading capital. That is 4,300 and then 24, and move it to see where we get to in the 4th month of our challenge. So as you can see, this is gradual. We are making, a provision for losses. We are making a provision for withdrawals. We are making a provision to buy shares, because as you see in week 3, we bought some shares. We bought some shares in week 3. And, as we are going forward, our shares are increasing. We are buying dividend paying stocks. We are investing in growth stocks, and we are trading options. So these are 3 sources of income that we are making trading using just our one account that we have started with $1,000. Is that not interesting enough? So you see, making money from the stock market is gradual, but if you do it consistently, you get to a point where compound interest and everything starts coming inside, and then you realize that you are moving very fast than you thought. Yes, so wealth builders, we are moving gradually, all right? Trading on the stock market, there are various opportunities that you get trading on the stock market, and you will understand when we drive our account to 25,000, you now begin to build wealth very fast, because you have the liberty and you have the capability to invest in certain, instruments, and invest in certain ways that can further multiply your income. All right, so you start slow, but then you grow consistently, and you get to a point where speed takes over, your wealth building journey, and you realize that you are just on your way to reaching the point where you are retiring rich and retiring young. Once again, I want to say that if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to the channel and then support the channel. It helps us go a long way. And then for the wealth builders who have always returned to view, I want to say I appreciate you so much. I want to say continue to like the videos, continue to leave your comments and questions, and I'll be glad to answer them. Until we see in the next video, it is bye for now.
Start with nothing, start today. Learn to hustle, find a way. Brick by brick you build it right, from the morning through the night. Dreams are growing step by step, every fall a future pep. No experience, just a heart, that's the way you got to start. Income streams, they start to flow, from determination they grow. Build your world with what you do, financial freedom just for you.